This is an ordinary rain gauge made by Balaji HydroMet. The non-recording rain gauge is called, and this is the IMD approved rain gauge. The collection area is 200 centimeter square. Make Balaji HydroMet. Model number is BHM-M-ORG-IMD. And this is the measuring jar, which is also calibrated. So let's check. First we remove the collector, which is have 200 centimeter square. This is the key and the brass rim over there. Now there is a certificates there. Both certificates is there. This is the both certificate. One is for the rain gauge non-recording, and this is the measuring rain measuring jar, which is this. Okay. Now there is a collections 4 liter white bottle, which is recommended by IMD for minimum evaporation, and this is the container, over container for the bottle, and this is the bottom face, which is collector, which is grouted on the earth after digging. Okay, so this is come with the BHM-M-ORG-IMD rain gauge, certified by IMD, the Indian Meteorological Department.